in Jamaica, the age of consent is 16 years old, right? Boom. So I leave high school at 16. Cannot get no work at 16. Oh my gosh, you're too young.
Hey, Chuck, let me go here, man.
What? Who made that rule? Would I like to see if it's slap it in your back of your neck? I've waited till me at 17 for go work with Archus and TA.
Alright, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is Generation for TDJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
I'll give me that no.
I am a professional Jamaican.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Kelly, and today I'm back again with our next YouTube video. Guys, I have not done one of these videos in a long time. And please do not look up here. So, ooh, I did not do no edges today. Okay. But as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, you already know, say, today's video, I'm going to be talking about things that me just cannot understand. Like what? So let's just get straight into this video. Like, the first thing, what me do not understand, like, why school starts so early? Like, me not understand. Because this video is about not understanding. Yeah, me just don't understand why school have to start so early. Me understand say early bird catches the worm, you must wake up and meet the sun, but point is 7:30? What? Where are we going? To the airport?
Can't take no more, I'm just fed up.
As somebody will go pick up at airport like 7:30, and you remember say at 7:30 you must reach, and at 7:30 you must wake up. You must wake up like 5, 6. Wow, that's so early. Like, so the next one mode I never understand is, oh my gosh, smash or pass.
Hey,
Damn.
Or a balloon, something that when people going and pop.
Why did you pop your balloon?
well, it was the fit and the glasses.
The
I
fish.
can't see.
Rate me 1 to 10. Are you stupid? Like, are you dumb? Like, sometimes just like, how bored can you be at home to say, let me get up and go and smash or pass. Let me get up and go and balloon popping game. Oh my gosh, how bored can you be? And then when they pop it and reject you, go up on the internet and start. You shouldn't be there in the first place. You should, like, what are you doing there? What are you doing there? You don't feel like you need to go into there? Imagine you get up. You literally get up, get ready. I'm gonna smash or pass. I want them pass you and shame up on camera. You don't think about them. Sometimes I wonder if people like think before they act. Balloon popping challenge. Walking a balloon popping challenge, please. Everybody start pop balloon. Me no have it art. Me no have it art. Me no have it. I'm not brave. Like, that's just one thing we just never understand. Like, how bored can you be if you just get up and say, oh, let me go to a smash or pass? Wonder if they would smash me. Like, or a pie in a face one. Will you ever see a pie in a face one?
Yeah. Jesus!
Like, oh my gosh, me see one already, right? But then after the ugliest girl or ugliest boy get pie in their face. Imagine you go there with your face, your makeup, or your mascara, or whatever. Or you just get one fade up and then just put pie in your face and then you get angry.
Hey, Chuck.
You know where you come there for, like, me no know. Me would have never. If that was the last thing to do on earth, you just gonna stay there and get stale and boring. Junja gonna grow up and he can me not do that. Like, Alright, so next thing I just do not understand is live and live. Who even do that? Like, where did I think?
One of them people, then they show them colors.
Are you okay? Are you good? And then you go look at me and tell me say live and live. Bro, you see English as something will mash up because how live and live? Live and live, live and live. Are you okay? Live and live. And then how live and live? Then I go say, oh, it just say it different. Oh, move out of my face. Get out of my face and do not come with your little fool. Like that. Why not just make one next word for live or one next word for live? I stress y'all give me headache. A hard pressure y'all put on me. The hard feeling you want me catch. The next thing I do not understand a time. Time. Like, who even knows say at 10 o'clock? Who just wake up and say, oh, you know what? Might be go further than this. But know say back then they usually look on the sun and know say at noon. And when you see your shadow set the way here. No worry. Me think me get it. But the next thing I just cannot ever understand is in Jamaica the age of consent is 16 years old, right? Boom. So I leave high school at 16. Cannot get no work at 16. Oh my gosh, you're too young.
Hey, Chuck,
Look here, man.
What? What you mean? Me too young for work? That y'all tell me? Because what? Age of consent at 16, and if you get pregnant at 16, then I come for your parents? Who made that rule? Would I like to see if it's slapping in your back of your neck? I've waited till me at 17 for go work with Archus and TA. Like, me just cannot understand that. Like, ugh. And then they have a nerve to still post this. Oh, teenage pregnancy, a health issue, whatever in Jamaica. Are you good? Remember I say I only did say age of consent 16. So we expecting I feel like people are gonna go out and do them thing. Alright, so the next time we cannot understand a fake account. Like imagine having a fake account, commenting other people's videos, disrespecting them, and your account just no bio, no picture. Like me just can't understand down there. Like, how bored can you be if you say, okay, I'm gonna make one fake account today and just comment other people's videos and sometimes people don't even know. But bro, I just cannot understand it. Like, we're afraid. Are you afraid? You afraid of me? You afraid? Because why not just use a real account and then what am I gonna come through your screen and slap it on your face? What am I literally gonna do? Use your real account. Nothing wrong. Me I stop you. Me not stop you. Use a real account. Where you got the fake account? The fake account. We just cannot understand the fake account. And then no picture, no bio, no nothing. You know, we just cannot wait till the day when phone just upgrade, when it just click on the fake account. It just either get their email, their Instagram or something. You just click on it and they come up give you more information. Because sometimes I go up on a fake account and no little information, no little name. All I need that the first letter and I promise you I will find you. I will find who you are. Okay. I will find out. Like me see, me don't know about everybody else, but me see my social media platform as like my host. Me don't know if it's on weird. Me see it like as my host. Like when I go up on my page, it's like I when you enter my host. And if you go under my comment section and try to be disrespectful, it come like you disrespect me and my host. Just like you disrespect me on platform. So I go block you, kick you off and delete. Bye. The next thing I just cannot understand are dreams. Like dreams are very just complicated. Like sometimes you dream about it like something. Sometimes when the old dream come about, like we go up on Google, but you know that Google not really give you good information. But sometimes we go up on Google and Google like Google I say. Sometimes you dream about what you go through in the real life, but sometimes you dream kind of mix about who did it. Is it my mind? Who make up here and say, alright, boom, that I go dream tonight. One time I get one dream, say me I run from some lion. Who give me that? Like, why would I run from lions? But I run from some lion, then I get one dream, say I run from some lion. What that mean? I get one dream, say me I run over one hill, me I run from dog. And I get one dream, say my teeth is long. Like, me not understand a crazy dream, like teeth long dream. Oh, no, stop. The next thing I just cannot understand, like, for real. Like, if you dig up gold and find it in your yard, police will come and say, oh, a government property, government this, government that. Like, but if they come in your yard and find weed, and find marijuana, find drugs, find coke, find crack, oh, they must say yours. They must say it's yours. But why you never do that with the gold? Why you not just take up a crack and go and say yours too? Why you not just take up the weed and say, oh my gosh, it's mine. Let me go lock up myself. But you want to take the gold? When I find on my back of my yard? Oh, it's government property. Like, like you see a world make? You see a world stay? Wanna just make me warm? The next thing I cannot understand is where do ear clips, scoochie, bubbles, elastic, where all of them go? Like, do you have a scoochie world or elastic world where everybody just gather up? Because what? Just buy a pack of elastic, just buy a pack of something. We going to ear. Oh my gosh, you want to go away. Where are you going? Why me cannot find you? I promise I look everywhere. I don't know when I do not look. Where did I not look? I look everywhere. I just cannot find it. I just can't find it. There must be a scoochie world or elastic and bubbles and clip world where they just get up and go and them ready. Same with fork and spoon. No, same with fork. Like you have so much fork and just like no, seriously. You have so much fork in your house and just don't know where fork them gone. Like what? But anyways, guys, you have make it to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are here from TikTok, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know say here from TikTok. And this is the end of this video. Look a bit more on later. Bye.
The word professional in a sentence for me.